We're Rachel and Austin, traveling the USA in our Winnebago Revel. We travel with our dog Olympia, who's living her best life. And today, we're in Washington, D.C., exploring the National Mall. We started our day off with a 2-mile walk to the White House, because that's where oversized parking exists. And then a short half-mile walk took us to the other side of the White House. We walked across the ellipse and made our way to the Lincoln Memorial, just a little over a mile away. We walked through the Cart Pond and the Constitution Gardens where there was an abundance of squirrels. We read online that dogs were allowed in the memorials as long as they were carried, but that was not the case, so Olympia had to wait outside. Looking over the Lincoln Memorial reflecting pool with Washington's monument in the distance, we made our way towards the World War II Memorial. After another mile of walking, we were finally close to the Washington Monument.
I feel like it's a lot larger than I thought it was.
Now we just had a mile and a half to reach the Capitol building. We stopped at some art installations, making our way to the Capitol reflecting pool, where we stopped for a picture before heading back the 4 miles to the van. I know, look at mine.
Come on, potato. There's so much booty.
Almost walked 4 miles, still got about, I don't know, another mile that way, and that puts us like 4 miles from the car.